Welcome, I'm using Motorola Razr 5G, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and expand it, and you should see a toggle called battery saver. Simply tap on it, turn on, and there we go, we're now in power saving mode. And that is as simple as that. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, make sure you disable it, otherwise things like Wi-Fi and mobile and data will be disabled after some time of inactivity, and that is designed so it preserves more battery, but also it results in you not receiving any kind of updates that require internet connection. So just putting that out there. But that is basically how you would enable it and disable it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.